What if I told you there's a particular plugin that automatically insert affiliate links on your blog website, which means you don't have to manually start integrating affiliate links whenever you want to write a review. Maybe you're making a review about Hostinger and you want to integrate your affiliate link. You just have to go over to Hostinger affiliate account, then copy the link, then go to that particular post and insert it. Those things are stressful, all right? But there's a particular plug I use on most of my affiliate website. This strategy is going to increase your clicks. So in this particular video, I'm going to simply show you how to use this particular plugin to automate your affiliate marketing on your blog website. All you need to do is simply pay close attention to this very video. Remember, this is going to simply work for you if you have a standard blog website. If you don't have a standard blog website, go ahead and get a developer that will develop your website for you and also monetize it for you, right? So if you don't have a developer, a trusted developer, go ahead and join us on a Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel. My team are going to simply build your website blog, monetize it for you, okay? So the first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and get your website blog. Once your blog is ready, on your dashboard, you're going to see plugins. Just go over to the plugin section right here. You're going to see we have the plugin right here. Then click on add new plugin. Then on this section, search for auto affiliate. Link. Just search for this plugin. Alright, so this is auto affiliate links. Just search for this one right here. This one right here automatically display affiliate links in your website content. It also works well for internal linking. Alright, so just have to make sure you click on this install now. Alright, so click on this activate button. The plugin is now active, so we are using the free version of it. Okay, so we're using the free version of it. So on this section, scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see the plugin right here. This is the plugin. Okay, so under this plugin, scroll up a little bit, click on this auto affiliate links. So this is basically how it works. Okay, this is basically how it works. On your blog content or on your blog website, there are keywords that repeat itself. For instance, if your blog is about tech, you have to make sure that those keywords that normally pops up on your blog content, you add them right here as part of your keyword. Okay? So once you install the plugin, this particular plugin will scan your blog post and look for those keywords. Then it will detect those keywords and replace them with your affiliate links you've already added. Okay, you can go for keywords like AI tools, best AI software, ChatGPT alternative, like AI agency or software, or download here or get it here. All those kind of keywords, make sure you add them right on your plugin. All right, when you hit on that, go over to your blog, then add the keyword right here. Okay, when you add the keyword, you add review. Okay, okay, so after adding that, the next thing you have to do right now is to make sure you sign up on affiliate platforms. All right, so you can sign up on any affiliate platform of your choice. Okay, so the one I recommend you go for is either you go for Amazon, you go for ShareSell, you go for Digistore24, and these particular platforms are going to simply help you as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so the one I work with right now is ShareSell. All right, I like ShareSell so much. Remember, ShareSell I've already migrated to Awin. All right, but if you already have an account, your account will automatically be migrated to Awin while you still access your website from ShareSell.com. All right, so if you're registering newly as a new affiliate on ShareSell, you don't have to do that on ShareSell anymore. You can do that on Awin. So if you want me to make a video on how to register a new affiliate marketing account on Awin/ShareSell, just make sure you comment that on the comment section. Then I'm going to simply show you how to create an affiliate marketing account on Awin/ShareSell. Okay, so remember, these two companies are just the same thing. Okay, so just that the name changed and they're just migrating from ShareSell to Awin. All right, so this Awin has been here for a very long time. Okay, go over to merchant status to get those ones that have already approved me. Okay, so I've already made a couple of videos on how to promote ShareSell affiliate marketing offer. Okay, so click on this merchant status, simply scroll down right here. You're going to see these are the companies that have already approved me. So I'm going to simply copy this one right here. I'm just showing you how to do this. I'm going to copy this link, paste it here. So when I paste that, then click on this add link. So automatically this link will be added on its own. All right, so you can see right here I've already added this link. This is the affiliate link. This is coming from ShareSell, and these are the keywords that I'm targeting. Okay, so if you're targeting this keyword for this particular stuff right here, when you're adding another link, make sure you use different keyword, right, so that they will not conflict with each other. That's basically how to do this. All right, so if you want to add another link, go over to your share cell. All right, when you go over to share cell, you're going to simply search for another one. Let's say I want to go for insurance, or let's say AI. I don't want this. Or let's go app builder. I don't want that. Scroll down. Let me choose something that is way more different than the one I've already added. You can see Nomad, internet. All right, let's go for hosting. I have to select Namecheap, then go to Namecheap, search for Namecheap right here. This is it, Namecheap, and this is going to simply refresh. All right, so we have Namecheap right here. This is Namecheap. Then I'm going to simply copy Namecheap link. Okay, so under Namecheap we have web hosting, domain name, and all of that. Okay, so I'm going to simply go ahead and add that to anywhere there's domain name. So I'm going to add the affiliate link here first, then domain name, let's say domain. Simply go ahead and click on add link. Okay, so I've already added the two links. The first one is the second one. I'm going with, if you don't want to go with this link again, you can go ahead and replace it with another link, then click on the update button. It will update. You can go ahead and delete it if you want to delete it. All right, you can go ahead and change the keyword as well. All right, so this is the first thing you have to do. The second thing you have to do, click on the general setting. This is where you're going to simply set up everything. Okay, so the link frequency, average, then the same keyword limit, no limit, then same link limit 1. All right, link distribution top. All right, so case sensitivity, allow it to be the way it is. So I'm going to simply allow this to be only on post. I don't want it on page. All right, so scroll down a little bit, add link on. I want it on accept as well. All right, so scroll down a little bit, then add link keyword length. So the target is new window when it is being clicked, then set it as do follow. All right, scroll down and make sure that all of these settings are the way it is right now, then click on the save changes. After setting this up, the next you have to do is simply go over to your website. Let's explore this. Okay, so this is my website right here. Then I'm going to simply go to one of my posts that has that specific stuff, those keywords. Or let's say we want to search for web hosting here. Let's search for web hosting, see how it is. Let's say web, let's see, just type in blogging. All right, let's see if you're going to see Namecheap right there. All right, so we have stop blogging manually, do this instead, and a lot of that. We have name best blogging niches for low competitive. All right, so we have blogging blah blah blah. Let's select this one. Okay, let's click on this one, which is the most recent post about blogging right here. Okay, right, so let's go down here. You know, on this particular blog website, anywhere you see red link, that is where a link is. Okay, so this one right here, we didn't add anything related to Telegram, YouTube, and Patreon. Okay, so this one are all embedded by me. All right, so these ones right here, these things right here are just add, so just forget about them. Let's search for all those stuff we added there. Just be careful with it. Okay, so remember, the way I'm searching for it is not the way a normal user is going to simply be searching for it. A user will be reading while making research. Okay, this one right here is affiliate link from share. So okay, because when I touch a link, you see where this particular link pops up right here. You can see on this section, you're going to see the link that will pop up right here. Okay, so if I click on this, if I hover the mouse to this section, you can see this is a link from affiliate from ShareSell. All right, so this is a link from ShareSell. I'm going to click on it. So if I click on this right now, it is actually taking me to Namecheap. All right, let's open it. You can see it's actually taking me to Namecheap. That's basically how it was. So let's search for another thing. Let's go over to the blog website and search for another thing. All right, so let's say hosting, because I added hosting as a keyword right there. Okay, but if there's an affiliate links on those keywords already, it will not add anything again. That's basically how it works. Okay, it will detect those ones without a link. Okay, so let's say Hostinger review 2025. Let's open it. Let's scroll down a little bit. We have Hostinger company. This one's coming from Hostinger, so not really from my own affiliate links, from the auto link. Okay, domain name, you can see domain name is here. You can see it has already gotten domain name here, and this one is going to take you to Namecheap as well. So when I posted this particular blog post, there was no domain name, there was no Namecheap related to this stuff, because this is really for Hostinger review. Okay, but it has already added the link here on the domain name section. Okay, I told you to add only one link in each particular blog post. Okay, so that's why it's only in the embedding one link in each post. Okay, so I can go over to and add it like let's say 4 places in the same place, but one is okay for me. Okay, so one is okay for me. And with this strategy, you can as well increase your click and also increase your revenue from your affiliate marketing platform, okay, using your blog. And if I were you, I will add more related keywords that I talk about on my blog website, so you can also focus on those keywords and add a lot of links for me. All right, so if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel. If you want me to make a video on how to create an account on Awin, just comment Awin on the comment section. So hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram community and also on our Patreon, Telegram, WhatsApp channel, and a lot more for our upcoming trainings. Alright, see you in the next video.